In this tutorial I will show you how to download songs from Spotify without premium. First, open up the Spotify app. Go over to your library. And then tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. And create a playlist. After that, let's go ahead and add some songs. After you add your songs to your playlist, simply tap on this downward pointing arrow. It will download the songs. When the icon turns green, it means all of these songs are now downloaded. This is how you can download songs on Spotify, but you do need to have Spotify Premium. You can get free 4 months of Spotify Premium. Just open your browser. Search for free Spotify Premium. And select this search result. So you can try Spotify Premium and download and listen to as many songs as you like for free.